Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga by Sandeep Solanki. Most of the time we are involved with the work where the spine leans forward. Sometimes we do a little backward bend also when we feel tired. Sometimes we also do some twisting action. But most of the time this lateral area is such where there is hardly any stretch. And it is very important to stretch this area because first of all there is this waist region which sometimes when not being attended it starts increasing, and the second reason is between the rib cage on the sides are called as muscles, intercostal muscles. They also needs to be stretched so that when they are elastic the breathing efficiency can improve. Now this particular stretch that we are going to do in this particular video is called as lateral stretch. It is stretching the whole of the lateral area, right from the fingertip down to the waist region. So let's understand how to do this. We keep the feet apart like this, and after keeping the feet apart we have to make sure that the knee and the ankle are traveling in the same line. They are vertical, the shin is vertical to the floor, and the knees and the toes are in one line. So don't let the knees fall in and the foot go out. Let the knees and the toes remain in one line. So if you see, I look like a sumo squat kind of position. I am sitting like this. Now maintain this 90 degree, knee and the toe in one line, and then place your right forearm on the right thigh like this. After placing, you should feel that the weight is coming on the right forearm. I am not hanging somewhere in between where there is no weight. My weight is coming on the forearm. And then don't let the head dangle. Keep the head higher, aligned with the spine. Head is aligned with the spine. And then raise your left hand up vertical. My right fist is closed so that I get some support and strength from here also. I don't collapse from here. I get some support and strength. My left hand is vertical. Now after doing this, I bring the left upper arm close to the ear. Now the purpose of this particular stretch is just stretching, not alignment. And that's the reason why I'm going to focus only on the stretch. So after bringing the upper arm close to the ear, now feel as if you're reaching out from the whole of your left hand, from the fingers, from the elbows, up to the shoulders, stretching the entire area of this. Reach out. Don't let the hand go down. Feel as if the spine and the hand are moving in the same line, and then keep on reaching out. Maintain this shoulder relaxed. Don't keep it shrugging into the ear. Just keep it relaxed. Be a little tall. Reach out from the hand. After you reach out from the hand, keeping your breathing normal for a while, then feel as if you're reaching from the side. And as you do so, don't go to so much stretch that you start falling from up. Don't let the upper chest collapse down. Keeping it open only, don't let it collapse, and then reach out. So first I was reaching out from the hand, then now I'm reaching out from the whole of the waist region. Stretch entirely. After maintaining the stretch, maintain this for about few breaths, maybe about 3 breaths. Slow, deep breathing, but slow, and be relaxed also in the face. Maintain the stretch, keep breathing, hold for about 3 breaths, and after 3 breaths are over, slowly release your left hand and come back to the center. And then try with the other side. Keeping the left forearm on the left thigh, at the center of the left thigh, not too much forward, not too much closer to the root of the thigh, in the center of the thigh. Right hand vertical, upper arm close to the ear, and then reach out from the hand. First reach out from the whole of the right hand. And once you do that, maintain there and then start reaching from the waist region without collapsing the chest in front. Reach out as much as you can. Make sure that this shoulder is relaxed, it's not falling down. Make sure that the head is not going down. Make sure that the hand is not coming down. It's in a straight line, like a diagonal line. After feeling the stretch in the arm and the whole of the waist to the side of the chest and till the tip of the finger, maintain there and breathe there for about 3 breaths, keeping the head nice and neutral. After 3 breaths are over, release. And then continue it one more time from the right and left. You will find the second time the stretch increases further and you are able to hold there with little ease for a little longer also. This is a lateral stretch, which is usually avoided. Don't avoid yourself. Don't avoid certain parts of the body. Shake them up, wake them up, stretch them. Feel energized. Let the energy flow in that area also. Friends, if you like our video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching for more videos on chair yoga. If you have any questions, any queries, please do write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you. Namaste.